police checkpoint. Now they moved it over here.
We hate it down there since we got off.
You love this? Thank you. I love it. Thank you.
Excuse you.
Oh, here we go. Oh, wow, look at the wires they got up for the dam now. Look at that.
Wires here.
Oh my god. They are starting to string that up. That's pretty cool.
Can you come down? Mark.
There's... Well, I can't really see it, but man, look at that.
Wow. Look how low the water is, you guys. What? Look how low the water level is. Like, you can see the water. Now we can't.
Yeah, it's way down.
You can't even see the water. There it is, way down there. Holy wow, it's like 100 feet lower.
Every year it seems like it gets lower, doesn't it?
Wow.
I'll try, but... Yeah, I got it. Well, you can see where the water level... Wow, look at that! Oh my gosh, that's they've come a long ways on that. It's a suspended tension bridge that they're building. Oh, it's an arch bridge or something.
So you're gonna have to drive on top of that?
Way up there. Wow. That's where that new road goes. Way up there. See where the bridge is?
It's not gonna get straighter?
No, it's gonna be straight across. See, they're just putting an arch in. Oh crap! No, stop.
We're driving on dam.
Damn it, we're on the dam. Damn it. Alright, there's boats up there. I film this every time, but it changes every time. About 100 feet since last time. They're just using more water, probably.
Oh, this is a good shot.
That's incredible. See, there's the end of that bridge, and there's the other end right there.
And there's people who work on that.
This is crazy. That's gonna be nice when they get that done. So this will only be a tourist area down here.
Dress is fine.
What?
This is the third time we've heard this song.
Yeah, so you can just go straight without having to do all this stupid crap. I know, that's weird.
There's fault lines probably all over the place if you think about it.
Oh, here. Wow. I'll probably get more of that on the way back. Carl said the suspension cables are supposed to be there. And it will be a partial suspension bridge. Right there you can actually see the dam if you pull off, but there's already people there, so. Pull off. Oh, I guess not. There was people parked over. Wow, look at that. Look at that. See the back side of that. That's amazing. They're up there working today. That's right.
Don't worry, his less successful cousin, LaFont, will be here next week.
I know.
giving you a chance to win tickets for 4 tomorrow in Chicago. Enter yellowpages.com/K.
This is the top of it right here.
Legal guy. No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited. The legal residents of the 50 United States and the District of Columbia, 18 years or older. For complete rules, visit yellowpageswin.com. Promotion ends 2/30. Couple does not register or sponsor this promotion.
That's a good view of what it's going to look like.